Morning. Check in. So let's get in. As you can see, that's a corridor. Oh, nice. And that's the bedroom. Oh, wow. That's literally a flat, actually. So let's see. Okay, so you have big bed here, which is really, really nice. Yes. Hi. And then let's see the bathroom. Oh, okay. Well, that's really cool. You have some products here. That's cool. Very nice. Oh, very cool. And you have like a kitchen. It's super cool. With loads of, oh, okay. So you have, okay, some mugs and stuff. Okay, it looks like my previous kitchen. Some gloves. What is in here? Oh, okay. You can cook. Wow, that's really cool. And then you have a fridge in here. Okay. Okay. And this. Wow, that's great. And in here, it's a fake one. I don't see a safe. Maybe they have one. Oh, you have another cupboard in here. Okay. Ironing board. And in here you have just another thing like that. And this is probably the iron and for your hair. That's really cool. Very, very nice. Okay. And this is a view that you get. I would have preferred the other side, but it's okay. All good. And some coffee. Nice. I'm gonna have a coffee. So, there we go. Tastes like caramel, almond and chocolate. Let's see. I'm not a huge fan of coffee in
the bag. I've never tried like coffee like this, blended coffee. But I need a coffee, so yeah.
Morning, everyone. So I'm ready. It's 10, and I'm going to go around Vertus just to see how it looks like, because they have apparently a space where you can have a coffee, they have a terrace, they have plenty of things. So I'm just going to go around that and film a little bit and then give you my feedback after that night in here. So see you in a bit. Outfit of the day. So here you have a terrace. As you can see, it's very nice. I'm not sure what view. It's raining, obviously, so you know, very typical British weather. So that's the view that you have. It's quite big. Quite nice. give you my feedback about that new place that we have in Canary Wharf. So I showed you the outside, inside. I showed you the communal parts where you have kind of a lounge where you can have coffee and tea, hot chocolate. Tea, I'm not sure actually. I haven't seen tea bags, so mainly coffee. There for free, unlimited. So you can stay there. You have the terrace as well, where the view is not on the Canary Wharf buildings. It's on the other side of Canary Wharf. And the hotel offers different type of apartments, so they're not really hotel rooms because you have a proper kitchen with an oven, with toaster, a kettle. You know, you can cook, you can do whatever you want in the bedroom, which is really nice. It's very quiet. It's placed in Canary Wharf, but behind where you have Wood Wharf, so that it's not new anymore, but it's been built, you know, recently, and it keeps on being built, I would say. So yeah, so it's really good. You have the possibility to check in through an iPad downstairs. People are really nice. Staff is really nice. I arrived 30 minutes before the check-in time. I emailed them to let them know that I would be there probably earlier. I asked if it was possible to have the bedroom a bit earlier, because 3 p.m. for check-in, to my opinion, wherever you go in every single hotel in the world, I don't think this is, you know, normal, as you have to leave the bedroom at 11 or 12 the next day. Not in here, but in general. So I've told them, can you organize that for me, because I have a wedding and blah blah blah. And they tried to make it look difficult when we were talking about 30 minutes before. We were not talking about arriving at 12 and getting the bedroom straight away. It was 30 minutes before. So I was a bit like, that's not really nice. And when I arrived, I had the keys straight away. They didn't even discuss, they didn't even ask me. I got everything straight away. So that's something I'm not a huge fan of, but that's, in general, I don't really like that. Making things difficult when actually they won't be. There is no point in doing that. But yeah, that's another topic. So that's maybe the only thing I would say about it. And one thing, the bed is really good. I slept well. However, I don't know if you can hear it, but there is this noise, constant noise from, it's not even aircon, because there is no aircon, I think, in here, but there is this blowy noise in the bedroom that you cannot stop. There is a fan somewhere, I don't know where, in the ceiling, but there is a fan, and it's on constantly. So because of that, I mean, for me, I can't sleep. So I need to have earplugs if I really want to sleep, otherwise I literally can't. So yeah, that's the only thing about the bedroom that is not nice. I'm going to tell them, maybe, I don't know, there's something that they can cut, or, you know. But apart from that, it's pretty good. You have USB, USB-C plugs pretty much everywhere as well. You have an iron, like I said. You have an iron board. You have an air dryer. It's quite good. I definitely recommend it for the price you pay, because it's way cheaper. I don't know what's going on in London. It seems like the prices are rocketing right now for some reason. But this one was quite cheap, to be honest.
So yeah, it's called Vertus Edit. You will see it on the thumbnail and in the description anyway. But it's a nice place to stay if you don't mind the fan noise, you know, in the bedroom. Maybe they're not all like that. Maybe it's just mine, but it's very annoying. And it's really good. It's super central. From Stansted Airport, you just have to get the Stansted Express. You take the Elizabeth line, and in 2 stops you are in Canary Wharf, and then you walk like 10 minutes to get there, and it's, you know, it's nice. So yeah, so that's a word about the communal part. So where you get the coffee, and you have a pantry place as well where you can buy some products such as cereals, ice creams, that kind of things. It's sorry, but the pollen is really bad in London. I think it's worse than France, but yeah, it's really bad. That's why I'm coughing. So yeah, the pantry is really cool as well. So you can buy anything at any time, 24/7, because it's on the 2nd floor. So anyone can access those parts anytime, which is anyone from the Vertus Edit flats can access that. So it's really cool. It used to be, I used to live, you will see it in another video, I used to live across the street actually. I used to live in the 8 Water Street. It's a Vertus building as well. In the 8 Water Street we didn't have the pantry thing, but in George Street, which is a building that is literally 2 minutes away from here, a Vertus one as well, they had this, and I always found this extremely cool, you know. So you have it in here, which is nice, and a nice plus, you know. If you are watching, I don't know, a movie and you want some ice creams, you can go down at 2 a.m. and buy it, and it's, you know, you don't have to go anywhere, you just remain in the building. So yeah, conclusion, very good, very great place. I definitely recommend. I would come back for sure. And see you in a bit.